When it comes to drones, one name stands out above the rest: DJI. Short for Dajang Innovations, DJI has not only defined what modern consumer and professional drones are capable of, but has also become synonymous with aerial innovation. From sleek consumer models to advanced industrial systems, DJI's drones offer a unique blend of performance, reliability, and accessibility that sets them apart in a rapidly evolving market. But what exactly makes DJI drones so unique? Let's explore the key factors that have helped the company dominate the global drone industry and establish itself as a leader in aerial technology. DJI didn't just enter the drone market, it transformed it. Founded in 2006 by Frank Wong, an engineer passionate about remote-controlled helicopters, DJI started with a simple mission: make flying easy and accessible. That vision led to groundbreaking products like the Phantom series, which introduced millions to consumer drone photography and videography. What sets DJI apart is its relentless focus on innovation. Whether it's integrating obstacle avoidance systems, introducing intelligent flight modes, or pioneering compact foldable designs like the Mavic series, DJI consistently pushes the envelope of what's possible in aerial tech. One of DJI's biggest strengths lies in its camera and gimbal systems. The company invests heavily in developing high-quality imaging sensors, lenses, and stabilization technologies tailored specifically for aerial use. High-resolution cameras. Many DJI drones support up to 8K video recording, e.g., DJI Mini 4 Pro, DJI RS3 Pro. Advanced gimbals. DJI's 3-axis gimbals provide buttery-smooth footage even in windy conditions. HDR and RAW support. Professional creators can capture more detail and color depth for post-production flexibility. Proprietary software. Features like D-Cine-like profiles give filmmakers greater control over their visuals. This level of image quality and stability is unmatched in many competing brands, making DJI the go-to choice for content creators across industries. DJI drones aren't just flying cameras, they're smart machines. Thanks to DJI's proprietary software like Flight Autonomy and OQ Sync, pilots enjoy features such as Active Track, automatically follows subjects while avoiding obstacles, Point of Interest, POI, orbits around a selected point with precision, Quick Shots, Hyperlapse, Panorama, create cinematic shots with the tap of a button, Return to Home, IRTH, ensures safe return in low battery or signal loss scenarios. More recent models integrate AI-powered object recognition, enabling smarter tracking and safer flights. These features democratize advanced cinematography, allowing even novice users to produce professional-grade content. DJI doesn't just sell drones, it offers a complete ecosystem. From controllers and gimbals to accessories like ND filters, carrying cases, and even action cameras, DJI Action Series. Everything is designed to work seamlessly together. Additionally, DJI provides powerful editing tools like DJI Fly, DJI Go 4, and DJI Mimo, which help users manage footage, edit videos, and share directly from the app. For professionals, DJI Terra and DJI GS Pro enable mapping, surveying, and mission planning for industrial applications. This integration creates a unified user experience that enhances productivity and creativity. Safety is a top priority for DJI. Most of its flagship drones come equipped with multi-directional obstacle sensing systems, using a combination of stereo vision, infrared sensors, and radar. For example, the DJI Mavic 3 series includes forward, backward, upward, and downward vision sensors. APS, Advanced Pilot Assistance System. 5.0 for smooth navigation through complex environments. Redundant IMUs, inertial measurement units for increased flight stability. These systems drastically reduce the risk of collisions and crashes, especially for beginners or in urban settings. DJI revolutionized portable drones with the launch of the Mavic Pro, a foldable drone that packed flagship features into a travel-friendly design. Since then, the Mavic lineup has continued to deliver power in compact form factors. Even smaller models like the DJI Mini 4 Pro, under 2 automatic in some configurations, include advanced features like obstacle avoidance, GPS, and 4K HDR video, all while being light enough to fly without registration in many countries. This balance between portability and capability is a hallmark of DJI's engineering excellence. DJI supports its products with regular firmware updates that improve performance, add new features, and enhance security. This long-term commitment ensures that even older models remain relevant years after purchase. Moreover, DJI offers comprehensive customer service, including tutorials, repair centers, and online communities, making it easier for users to troubleshoot issues and get the most out of their gear. While many companies target either consumers or enterprises, DJI successfully serves both. Its Matrix series and agricultural drones like the Agris line are widely used in industries such as agriculture, construction, public safety, and media production. DJI's ability to scale its technology across different sectors showcases its versatility and deep understanding of diverse user needs. DJI's uniqueness stems from its perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, user-centric design, and continuous innovation. It's not just about building better drones, it's about redefining how people see the world from above. Whether you're a casual hobbyist capturing weekend memories, a filmmaker shooting cinematic scenes, or a professional conducting aerial inspections, DJI offers a solution that's reliable, powerful, and intuitive. As the drone industry continues to evolve, DJI remains at the forefront, leading the way with vision, precision, and a passion for flight. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out the next video from our channel. Oh, and turn on the bell icon so you get notified every time we drop something new. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read and respond to as many as I can. And if you're loving the content, share it with a friend who might enjoy it too.